While you sleep, I clean the air you breathe. I remove toxins and help you rest better, silently.
Feeling tired all the time? Your blood might be begging for me. I boost iron and circulation.
People use me on their skin, but what I do inside your body is even more powerful.
Hi, I'm 2. I don't pay bills, but somehow I'm already in an AI tutorial. If I can talk, you definitely can.
How am I talking right now? I started as a normal image, no animation, no voice, no skills. Then she made my image talk, and trust me, if she can do it, you can too. She'll show you exactly how in this tutorial. No stress, no fluff, just coffee and result.
You're looking at a talking image. No camera, no microphone. I'm still more prepared than most Zoom meetings. Stay with me. This tutorial will make your image talk too.
First things first, we are going to start by generating our images. And in order to generate our image, so you are going to head over to your image generation tool and you're going to paste this prompt. So I use ChatGPT to generate this particular image. You're going to paste this prompt and then you're going to hit generate. If you need this prompt in the comment section and I'll send you the exact prompt I use in generating this particular image. It's beautiful, right? After generating your AI image, the next step that is very important for you to do is for you to animate your image. Because if you don't animate your image before making it to talk, you are going to have static images at the end of your creation. So it's very important for you to animate your image first before you start making it to talk. So we are going to give ChatGPT a prompt like this, an animation prompt, for it to give us a beautiful idea that is going to be binge worthy for our image. So here's the prompt. Can you give me animation idea for these images, including the camera angle, lighting, and scroll stopping effect that is binge worthy by each of these images? Let's hit generate. So after getting our animation idea from ChatGPT, the next thing is we are going to copy this animation idea and take it over to the app that we are going to animate our image. To copy something like this, we start copying from the camera movement, we take it down, we copy it like this. So we click copy and we are going to head over to Gro AI. If you don't have Gro AI on your phone, you are going to head over to Play App Store and download Gro AI. So when you head over to Gro AI, you open it and you have an interface like this. Remember to log in with your email if you have never logged in before. So because we want to animate our image, we are going to click on Imagine. After clicking on Imagine, you click on the plus sign. We upload the photo that we generated from ChatGPT. Here is the photo. Here is it. After you have uploaded your image, here's the animation idea that ChatGPT gave you. You are going to hit create. You are going to allow the video to generate. So we are going to click download and the video will be downloaded automatically into our gallery. For the next step, we are going to make our image talk, and for that, we are going to be generating voiceover. You can either use an AI tool or use your own voice to make the image talk. Now let's start by generating a voiceover using an AI so that we are going to make it talk. Then for the next step, I'll show us how to add our own voice and make it talk using Gro AI. So let's head over to Log Voice AI and make this image talk. So you are going to head over to your Chrome browser and you type Log Voice AI. You sign up with an email address. So you are going to go back to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate a voiceover that you want your image to actually see. So I already did mine. I'm going to copy it like this. I'll copy the voiceover like this. I hit copy and I'll take it to Love Voice. So when I take it to Love Voice, I'm going to paste the prompt for my voiceover here. I'm going to edit the prompt. These places that actually say pause, I'm going to delete it, and I'm going to give it some spaces so that the AI will have to pause before it gives it the speech. Then where we have bit, I'm going to delete it again, and I give it another space again so that the AI is going to pause or not talk rapidly. You can actually choose a female voiceover or a male voiceover. I'm going to be choosing a male voiceover. When that is done, I'll click generate. Okay, let's listen to the voiceover.
I absorb negativity, carbon dioxide, and people's nonsense. You, however, refuse to grow. But it's okay. I'll still clean your air while you ignore your responsibilities.
That's beautiful, right? So we are going to click on download. When you click on download, the voiceover is going to be downloaded directly into your phone. So for the next step, we are going to head over to make that particular image talk. For us to do that, we are going to be heading over Dreamface app. So if you have the Dreamface app, you open Dreamface. If you don't have Dreamface, you head over to Play Store and download Dreamface. When you come to Dreamface, you are going to click on Avatar where you have Talk or Sing. You click on Avatar to click on this plus sign to be able to upload the image that we just animated on Grok. So I'm going to click on it. Here we can actually do two things for you to make your image to talk. Is either you can upload the voice over using an AI like the one we just generated now, or you can use your own voice and input it here for your image to be able to talk. So we are going to click on want avatar to say, since we want our avatar to talk. So for the first step, we are going to import the voiceover we just generated now from Love Voice. So we are going to click on import from files. The first voiceover from Love Voice, I click on it, I click on select. Let's play it to listen to what he has to say.
I absorb negativity, carbon dioxide, and people's nonsense. You, however, refuse to grow. But it's okay. I'll still clean your air while you ignore your responsibilities.
Now for this particular app, if your voiceover is more than 30 seconds, you cannot upload it on Dreamface for this particular option since we are using the free version. So we click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, we click on animate. So we are going to wait for it to upload to 100% and we get our final result.
Negativity
So here is the final result.
and people's nonsense. You, however, refuse to grow. But it's okay. I'll still clean your air.
So when that is done, you are going to click on download and the video will be saved directly into our phones. The result,
Carbon dioxide and people's nonsense. You.
the result is going to come up with the Dreamface watermark, but you can actually remove the Dreamface watermark with any watermark remover. Now the second method we are going to be using to make this same image talk. Now the second method we can make our image talk using Dreamface. We are going to click on avatar again. So when you click on avatar, upload the animated image that you want to make it to talk. So I'm going to click on add on the plus sign. When I click on the plus sign, I want to animate this image. I want to make her talk. So what I'll do, I'll click on confirm. When I click on confirm, the first example that we did, we uploaded a voice. Now I'm going to use my own voice to make this particular image talk. So what I'll do, I'll click on one avatar to save. So here we have, you can actually type the script and Dreamface is going to provide a script for you and an AI voice for you, or you can import. We are for this second one, for this second image, I'm going to record with my own voice. So I'm going to click to start. So let's listen to the voice. Every day is God's given opportunity for tomorrow's future. Rise up and take a bold step. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on confirm, then you click animate. Every day is God's given opportunity for tomorrow's future. Rise up and take a bold step. So that's actually how you can make your image talk using Dreamface, either by importing a voiceover from an AI or using your own recorded voice. Now we are going to be using the last app for us to make our images talk. So we are going to head over to Gro AI. When we head over to Gro AI, remember we have used Dreamface for us to make the image talk, and we use Gro AI to animate our images. Yes, we can also use Gro AI to make our images talk. When you open your Gro AI, you have this interface. You click on Imagine. When you click on Imagine, you're going to click on this icon where you have photo library, and we are going to upload the image that we want to make it to talk. I'm going to go back to ChatGPT to copy that particular voiceover, that voiceover prompt, and bring it to Gro AI. You're going to copy like this. Copy. You go back to Gro AI. Now, when you want to make your image talk using Gro AI, you are going to emphasize, let the mouth be open when talking for perfect lip sync. For perfect lip sync. Then you proceed by saying, let the plant say. You put a column and we paste our prompt. Now, that's why it's very important for us to use Pixar style characters, because with Pixar style characters we have a large, we have exaggerated faces, you have large eyes, we have a mouth that is very, very easy for the AI to actually pick and work with. Now, when we have pasted the prompt for the voiceover from ChatGPT, what we are going to do here is that, because this platform, it generates videos for 6 seconds, so we are going to edit the prompt, because if the voiceover is too long, the platform is going to compress it and you will not see exactly what we want the image to say. So I'm going to delete, since it has 3 lines, 3 main lines, I'm going to use just the first one. I'm going to delete it from here so that it gives me a perfect voice.
I absorb negativity, carbon dioxide, and people's nonsense.
It's beautiful, right? So if we were to paste all of the voiceover prompts and hit generate, you would have compressed it and chosen just some few words to say. So the trick for you to have a perfect voiceover here with Grok is that we don't put in so much words, because the platform can generate a video of maximum 6 seconds. So for us to continue, I'm going to delete this. I'm going to edit this first part that the image has, that the video has already generated. I'll delete it like this. Then I'll go back to ChatGPT and I continue from where I stopped. Copy, paste, and I hit create.
You, however, refuse to grow.
I'm going to edit it again and I go over to ChatGPT and copy the last part of the voiceover. Paste and I click create.
But it's okay. I'll still clean your air while you ignore your responsibilities.
That's beautiful, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to download all the different things that Gro AI has generated for us. So in order to do that, I'm going to click on download, and it's going to be downloaded automatically into our phones. Now you can take all the three scenes and stitch them all over into CapCut and have a good compilation. Let's listen to all the three versions.
I absorb negativity, carbon dioxide, and people's nonsense. You, however, refuse to grow. But it's okay. I'll still clean your air while you ignore your responsibilities.
That's beautiful, right? And it sings perfectly with the lips. So this is a trick that you use to generate a good voiceover with Gro AI. This is one of the best way for you to make your images talk with Gro AI. Now if I were to copy the voiceover directly, all of what ChatGPT gave me, and I paste it into the Gro AI app. Let's listen to what it's going to give us. So I'm going to paste what ChatGPT gave me from start to finish, but I'll edit it to remove these pauses. I'll just give it a gap so the app will know that it has to pause. I remove this and I click on generate.
Carbon dioxide and people's nonsense. You, however, refuse to grare while you ignore your responsibility. Carbon dioxide and people's nonsense.
So you notice that because I pasted the whole prompt, which is so long, I spaced and left out some parts of the voiceover, and it has just given some. So that is how Grok AI is. You're going to give the script for the voiceover bit by bit. If you give it a whole bunch of script, it's going to cut some parts because the highest it can generate is 6 seconds. So even this baby's video, I use Grok AI in order to create this. And even to make her talk. But the only trick with this one was that I actually had to tell Grok AI to use a baby's voice. That's a child of her age, 2 years voice, and it actually did so perfectly.